channel again and welcome to Pherl TV. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you my review of the beautiful items that Ma'am Noemi Kujamat had sent to me. Okay, so for today's video, I would love to try this palette of Maybelline. Okay, Fifth Avenue Sunset. This is the very first time that I will be using this from Ma'am Noemi Kujamat. Okay, shout out to Ma'am Noemi Kujamat. Padala niya po ito sa akin from Singapore. Okay, so ayun, mag-ano muna ako guys, pulbo muna ako, tapos magkilay, and then we will try this, okay? Kilay this is, I think, Everbelena also. I know, I bought this in Watson for 100 pesos. So I'll be using first this nose line, guys. Unahin natin, maglagay ako ng nose line to highlight the bridge of my nose. Ayun guys, the highlight is excited na akong gamitin to, Maybelline, okay? Titingnan natin kung paano ba to gamitin. Unahin natin yung sa yung lighter, okay? Light muna. For sure, mahal to guys. Pag mga mahal kasi yung yung branded na maganda yung result. So, shade na muna natin to. Para kayo gamitin. Nahihinayang ako. So, sige, gagamitin na natin, guys. Gamitin natin itong dark. Okay. Ginamit ko to. Lalagay ko dito. Second coat. Diba guys? So, ganun lang guys. Simple lang. Dramatic eyes. Diba? So, hindi ko na i-overdo. Yan, ganda. Ganyan lang. Babalanse ko lang guys. Okay. And then, I'm going to use the blush on also that is given to me by Ma'am Noemi Kujamat. The blush on, where is it? The blush on, ayun. The Lucent Magic. Ayan, gamitin ko to guys. Galing din to kay Ma'am Noemi. L'Oreal naman to guys. L'Oreal. L'Oreal. L'Oreal ba? L'Oreal. Okay, so ayan guys. Guys, I'm not a professional makeup artist. This is just my own. Okay. Next, I'm going to use another lipstick. A new lipstick also from Ma'am Noemi. We'll try this one. I'm very excited to use this. This is Tux Red. For the first time. I'll be using this for the very, very first time, guys. High Shine Brilliance. Ayan. Wet and Wild, okay? Yan. Nakaano pa to guys eh. Lahat pa talaga to. Nakasalyado to lahat. This is from Singapore. Ano nakaka-excite? Dami pa. Close na close yung guys. Ang kagandaan sa mga lipstick from other country to logo. Ayun. Sealed na sealed. So yun na guys. I'm excited to use this. Try na natin. Hala. Ano nangyari? Na-damage ko ba guys? Ganun lang pala siya. Yan. Sobrang excited ako guys. Naputol ko siguro. Ayan. Anyway, gagamitan ko na lang ng brush some other time. So, yan lang. Ganyan lang siya guys. Okay? Again. Makintab siya. Para siyang may oil. So yun guys, this is our makeup look for the day because I'll be having my live streaming. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you would love to give a like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell button in order for you to get notified whenever I posted up a new video, okay? So, mag-live stream na ako guys and please support my live stream also. Bye and God bless!